എല്ലാവർക്കും പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നമ്മൾ പ്രധാനമായും എഡ്യൂക്കേഷണൽ ടെക്നോളജി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട കുറച്ച് വിവരങ്ങളാണ് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് കാൽക്കുലേറ്റിംഗ് ഡിവൈസ് വാസ് ഓപ്ഷൻസ് അബാക്കസ്, Hollerith machine, ENIAC, none of this. Answer is abacus. Dash is a feature of computer. Speed, accuracy, both A and B, none. Answer is both A and B. Next, the third generation computers are used dash. IC, transistor, vacuum tube, LSI. Answer is IC. Dash is an output device. Keyboard, plotter, magnetic disk, none. Answer is plotter. 1 byte is equal to dash bits. 1 byte is equal to dash bits. Options are 8, 1024, 64, none. Answer is 8. Processed data is called dash. Data, information, source code, none. Answer is information. Next, dash is a brain or head of a computer. Dash is a brain or head of computer. Options are monitor, CPU, control unit, none. Answer is CPU. Next, analytical engine was designed by dash. Charles Babbage, Blaise Pascal, Hollerith, John Napier. Answer is Charles Babbage. Dash is the father of computer. Leibniz, Blaise Pascal, Hollerith, Charles Babbage. Answer is Charles Babbage. Dash is a volatile memory. RAM, hard disk, floppy disk, none. Answer is RAM. Next, short key for select all. Control L, Control A, Control O, none. Answer is Control A. Laser printer is an example for impact printer, non-impact printer, line printer, none. The answer is non-impact printer. Next, dash is a multi-user operating system. Linux, MS-DOS, both A and B, none. The answer is Linux. Next, 1 KB is equal to dash bytes. 8, 1024, 64, none. Answer is 1024. Next, 111 plus 101 is equal to 111 plus 101 is equal to, answer is 1100. Next, which is a communication device? Screen, printer, modem, none. The answer is modem. Next, the software used to perform some specified task. System software, application software, both A and B, none. The answer is application software. Next, mouse was invented by Douglas C. Engelwart, John Napier, Charles Babbage, none. The answer is Douglas C. Engelwart. Next, which is not a storage device? which is not a storage device? Magnetic tape, CD-ROM, transistor, none. The answer is transistor. Next, the fifth generation computers are known as speed up system, maintenance system, expert system, none. The answer is expert system. Next, VGA stands for Visual Graphic Animation, Video Graphic Adapter, Visual Generating Application, none of this. Answer is Video Graphic Adapter. Next, VDU stands for Visual Display Unit, Video Digital Unit, Video Graphic Unit, none of this. Answer is Visual Display Unit. To draw figures directly on screen, dash device is used. Light pen, mouse, joystick, none of this. The answer is light pen. Next, the mouse if kept upside down almost resemble dash. Trackball. Next, the physical part of computer is called dash. Hardware, software, memory, none of this. The answer is hardware. MS-DOS is a dash user operating system. GUI, CUI, multi-user, none of this. The answer is CUI. The major components of CPU are memory, dash, and ALU. Options: RAM, ROM, control unit, none of this. Answer is control unit. Next, EDP stands for. Answer is Electronic Data Processing. File name is divided into dash parts. Answer is 2. Next, extension of a Word file is dash. The answer is .doc. Next, Windows developed by dash. Answer is Microsoft. Next, shortcut key to minimize window is dash. Answer is Alt plus spacebar plus N. Next, BIOS stands for. Answer is Basic Input Output System. Next, dash is used to change the system settings. Answer is control panel. Extension of paint file is dash. .bmp. Dash is the shortcut key to open a new file. Control plus N, Alt plus F plus N, both A and B, none. Answer is both A and B. MS Access is a dash software. Answer is RDBMS. An input device is keyboard, MICR, OMR, all. Answer is all. Dash is a memory device. Answer is hard disk. Next, dash computers display output symbolically. Dash computers display output symbolically. Answer is analog. Next, CAD stands for dash. CAD stands for computer aided drawing. Computer aided drawing. Next, compact disk is a dash memory. Compact disk is a dash memory. Answer is ROM. Next, dash is a primary storage device. Dash is a primary storage device. Answer is RAM. Next, FRAM provides a dash storage of data. FRAM provides a dash storage of data. Answer is non-volatile. Next, collection of computer program is known as dash. Collection of computer program is known as dash. Answer is software. Next, dash is a program used to translate high-level program to machine-level program. Dash is a program used to translate high-level program to machine-level program. The answer is compiler. Next, operating system is a dash. Operating system is a dash. Answer is software. Next, an example for operating system is Windows. Next, an application software is dash. An application software is dash. Answer is spreadsheet. Next, a computer which possesses the features of both analog and digital computers are dash. A computer which possesses the features of both analog and digital computers are dash. Answer is hybrid.